You're sitting there, maybe it's a Sunday afternoon, scrolling through your phone, and you see one of those posts. You know the ones. Someone you went to high school with just bought their second rental property. A coworker mentions they're basically set for early retirement. Your cousin posts about hitting some investment milestone that sounds like a number from a different planet. And you look at your own situation. Maybe you've got some money saved. Maybe you've got a decent job. But 40 is either already here or you can see it on the horizon. And there's this voice in the back of your head asking a question you really don't want to answer. Am I where I'm supposed to be? Here's the thing nobody tells you about turning 40. It's not actually a deadline. It's not a finish line. But it is one of those moments where life kind of forces you to look in the mirror financially. And for a lot of people, that reflection is uncomfortable. Not because they failed, but because they're realizing for the first time that the things they assumed would just happen, the wealth, the stability, the freedom, those things don't just happen. They get built. And if you haven't been building intentionally, the results show. But here's what I want you to understand before we go any further. If you're watching this and you're behind where you think you should be, that's not the end of your story. It's actually a really important beginning, because the difference between people who end